Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Verizon outage on your phone. Okay, the first solution that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your iPhone or phone, then go and click on mobile service. You just have to scroll down till you find mobile service and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see this area. You just have to choose the Verizon SIM. After you choose it here, you have these two options: mobile plan label and turn off this line. You just have to turn off this line, toggle this off, then toggle this on again, and see if your issue is fixed or not. The second solution is to go and open your Google Chrome or any other browser that you have, like Safari, for example. Then you want to search for Verizon Down, and here you can see Verizon Communications Customer Nationwide experience widespread outages. Or you can simply search for Down Detector and search for Verizon, and here you can see that they have an outage reported in the last 24 hours, and this issue will be fixed as soon as possible. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.